Hey everyone, my name's Amanda and I'm kinda new here. So today, I forgot to film my intro and my outro. I was just having fun playing with makeup, obviously. So anyway, in today's video that I filmed yesterday, we're going to go ahead and try on all the stuff we got from our Boxycharm. It's a if you guys don't know what Boxycharm is, it is a $21 a month subscription that you get 5 full-size products in every month. And sometimes they're skincare, sometimes they're hair, but usually not. Usually they're almost always cosmetics, you know, the pretties. Yeah, and down in the description box below, you will see my referral link. So please, if you're interested in Boxycharm, well, check it out, you know, by clicking the link and signing up. That's how you do that. Sorry, I'm putting that behind me. And the next thing would be everything from my Ipsy bag. So in Ipsy, you get a little bag filled with lots of goodies. This month, we're trying on both, or this video, we're trying on both of them. And yeah, so if you guys, I will go ahead and link my previous videos from my unboxings for this month if you guys want to see what's all inside. And don't forget, if you like what you see here, like, subscribe, and leave comments below. Please be encouraging comments. And if you guys have constructive criticism, please be nice. Don't be a dick. Alright, we'll see you guys later. Bye-bye. Oh, yeah, no, not bye-bye. Stick around for the video. And give it a thumbs up. Those things help me. So, you know. Okay, I'm gonna go now. Because I'm getting awkward. Yeah, okay, bye. So guys, that is today's video, trying on all the fun stuff, also on my face, today. So if you like what you see, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and leave the comment below. The nice comment. Be pleasant. Your mom might see this. Okay, so we'll see you guys later. And please share with your friends. I'm only one hand subscribers from 100. So please tell your friends. And like, subscribe, leave the comments below. Be nice. Okay, that's all guys. We'll see you later. Bye-bye.